Dali.
Jenny. As you can see,
Dali.
I'm in the car, but secretly it's our car. And it will show you around. Beep. As you can see, this is the front,
Sa?
and with automatic doors.
Pakon ang akong shoulder bag.
And it's at the back. Usually
Dala,
it's a
shoulder bag na.
bed. And usually this is an automatic door with a board step. I tell you, there's a board step that I just appeared. But certainly I cannot continue this vlog. So adios.